In 1984, a juice company was fined nearly $1 million for exaggerating the benefits of a fruit. That fruit was the pomegranate. Back then, it was brushed off as just another miracle juice fad. But here's the twist. Decades later, scientists started finding evidence that this ancient fruit might be far more powerful than anyone imagined. Today, research links pomegranate to all kinds of health improvements, from better memory to lower inflammation. But 3 benefits stand out as truly mind-blowing. Once you see what happens inside your body when you eat it, you will realize this fruit is not just food, it is fuel for renewal. Most people know pomegranate for its jewel-like seeds and tart taste, but inside those tiny red beads are natural compounds that act like repair crews inside the body. And the first place they go to work is in your blood vessels. Every vessel in your body has a thin inner layer that controls blood flow. When you are young, it is smooth and flexible. Over time, stress, poor diet, and lack of sleep make that lining stiff and sticky. Fat starts clinging to the walls and blood pressure rises. This is where pomegranate shines. It contains strong natural antioxidants that help stop the rusting process in your blood. That prevents buildup that can block circulation. In one study, people who drank pomegranate juice daily for a year saw measurable improvement in blood flow and reduced plaque in their arteries. Other short studies also found that even just 2 weeks of daily juice helped lower blood pressure slightly. Scientists think this is because it helps blood vessels relax and expand, letting blood move more freely. So yes, it supports your heart and circulation, but that is only the beginning, because what happens next goes even deeper, right inside your cells. Number 1, it strengthens and cleans your arteries. Better circulation means more oxygen reaches every organ and your energy levels rise naturally. That is the first insane benefit. Inside every cell in your body are tiny power generators that keep you alive. As you get older, these batteries start wearing out. When that happens, you feel tired more often, your muscles weaken, and your body takes longer to recover. This is where pomegranate becomes something special. When you eat it, your body breaks down its nutrients into smaller molecules that help your cells clear out old weak batteries and make fresh ones. It is like doing a deep clean inside your body's energy system. In one study, older adults who took a natural extract made from this process had better endurance and muscle strength after a few months. The researchers said their cells worked more efficiently, almost as if they were younger again. Number 2, it helps your cells renew themselves. This is not about looks, it is about how you feel. When your cells have more power, everything from your brain to your muscles runs smoother. But there is another surprise waiting. A shift in your body's chemistry that affects your mood, your focus, and your drive. In a 2-week experiment, people who drank pomegranate juice every day showed higher testosterone levels and lower stress hormones. Men and women both experienced it. They also reported feeling calmer and more positive. The reason might be simple. Stress and poor diet damage the cells that control hormone balance. Pomegranate's natural antioxidants protect those cells and help your body restore equilibrium. With stress hormones lowered, you think more clearly and feel more motivated. Number 3, it balances your hormones naturally. Not in an artificial way, but by helping your body find its natural rhythm again. But here's the secret. None of these effects work properly unless one hidden system inside you is healthy. Your gut. Your digestive system is home to trillions of bacteria that help you absorb nutrients and keep your immune system strong. Only certain good bacteria can turn pomegranate's nutrients into the powerful compounds that drive all these benefits. If you do not have enough of those bacteria, you miss out. The good news is that you can feed them. Eat pomegranate together with fiber-rich foods like oats, bananas, or yogurt. These prebiotic foods help the right bacteria grow. When your gut is balanced, inflammation drops, your mood improves, and your body can use food more efficiently. That leads to another bonus effect, something that many people notice without realizing where it comes from. Pomegranate helps reset your metabolism. When your body is under stress or full of inflammation, it stops responding properly to insulin, the hormone that controls blood sugar. This causes sugar spikes and energy crashes. But pomegranate helps calm inflammation, allowing your body to use energy more evenly again. That is why people who eat it regularly often feel steady and energized throughout the day instead of tired and hungry. Now that you know what it does, how should you eat it to get the most out of it? If you have only tried store-bought pomegranate juice, You have only seen half the story. The seeds, the part you chew, contain fiber that keeps blood sugar stable and helps your gut bacteria thrive. That fiber is essential for your body to turn pomegranate nutrients into their active form. Juice has more antioxidants but no fiber, and if you drink too much, the natural sugar can spike your blood sugar. The best balance is simple. Eat the seeds as often as you can, and if you drink the juice, choose one with no added sugar and limit it to a small glass with meals. Here's a little-known secret. The peel, the part you usually throw away, has even more antioxidants than the juice itself. A tiny pinch of dried peel powder in a smoothie can multiply the benefits. So think of pomegranate not as a snack but as a system, one that cleans your arteries, recharges your cells, and rebalances your hormones. All three work together to shape how long you live, how much energy you feel, and how clearly your mind functions. This fruit has been celebrated since ancient times as the fruit of life. Now modern science is finally catching up to why. Inside every seed is a design that helps your body do what it was always meant to do: heal and renew itself naturally. Thank you for reading. Share in the comments which country you are from, and if you have ever noticed any benefits from eating pomegranate or similar fruits.